These are the best golf towels you can get. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm holding a couple of golf towels in my hand here. These are from Ghost Golf. I've shown you their stuff before. I picked up some of their head covers for my drivers and my woods, and they are awesome. They are just these really high quality PU leather head covers that look awesome. They look badass, and they have these flight tags, so they look the business. Now, I actually want to show you this because they actually make some other accessories here, and these are golf towels, but these aren't just your standard $5 clip them onto your golf bag. Pretty much the same thing you use in your kitchen to dry your dishes. No, these golf towels are pretty awesome. So you got this one here, kind of looks like pink or salmon. I'm going to open up this one here too, and this one is black, which I absolutely love. And first of all, I just want to show you that they're about the size of a regular golf towel. They open up completely. A lot of golf towels are folded into thirds and they don't open up at all, which actually makes them really hard to clean, but these will open up completely here. They have the Ghost Golf logo right here in the corner, and this material here is just really, really awesome. I want to show you, kind of get in on that it has some texture. It has kind of this waffle weave pattern, and that gives them some grippiness that I don't really get with my terry cloth towel. So when I grab my golf club and really kind of scrub on that sucker, this little waffle pattern helps make sure that it gets in there and gets the grooves and is textured enough to really get the dirt and stuff off, even when it's really not wet. They also have this really nice edging on it, keeps everything nice and tidy, and I love the fact that it's contrast stitching. Now, awesomeness does not stop there, because I want to show you on the opposite corner here, we have this little nylon loop with a little carabiner here, so it'll clip on your golf bag just like every other golf bag. But right under here, what we have encased in this little rubber button on the top here, which is about 1.5 inches in diameter, is a very strong magnet. Now, it's very soft, so you don't have to worry about this marring up anything, but what you can do is pick this sucker up with pretty much any golf club because it is magnetic. So if I am cleaning up my putter, lining up that putt, and I just say, hey, drop my towel right there, go do the business with the putter, and then come back, I can just take my putter and go right down here and go boom. There is my golf towel. I don't even have to bend over and pick it up. That's the kind of space age we're living in now. I don't even have to bend over to pick things up. So I've got that right here. But the beauty of this too is that you can just stick this right on the post on your golf cart. So you don't even need it attached to your bag. So you can have it up where it's easier to see, where it's easier to reach, to just grab it. And you can just kind of pull it off and slap that sucker back up there. So instead of going to the back of your golf cart, trying to find the towel attached to your bag, clean it off, and then get back in, you can have this thing attached to the post. You can have it attached to the basket in the back, whatever, have it nice and handy. I love this little magnet right there. Now, I also want to show you this towel, which I have attached to my belt here with the magnet. And this towel here, I've been using. I've just been rinsing it off, you know, running it under some water. And man, it's in great shape. And this towel has served me very, very well. I just love the gray look of this. And of course, on this side, we still have the same carabiner, so it gets clipped onto my golf bag. So this towel is the best towel I have. Not only am I using this one on my golf bag, but I'm putting this one on my backup golf bag because they're the best towels in the business. Hey, if you want to pick these up, I'm going to put a link to the Ghost golf towels in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.